Okay, hello guys, this is vibration analysis series, and today is episode 1. I'll be introducing you to vibration analysis and machinery diagnostics. So my name is EP.1. Okay, we shall begin. So why do we need vibration analysis? So the first reason is because of the relationship between the machinery and process plant. So for example, the power plants, the petrochemical plants, and the electrical power plants. So you could say that the machinery is like a heart of our process plant, or you could say that it is the main core of all manufacturing processes in all plants. Then what if a core of manufacturing process in all plants is broken? Then the plants could able to lose their outcome, which consequence them to lose their daily profits also. So our job is to prevent the kind of problems. That's why we need to measure vibrations and we analyze the vibration data. That's why vibration analysis is important. So we could able to fix the problem on time because we measure vibration, we analyze vibration data, and we realize what is happening to our machinery, and then we fixed. Okay. Then the second reason is because of the wear and tear. This is a graph between the failure rate and the time. We call this curve is a bathtub curve right here. So in an initial stage, as you can see in the point 1, whenever a part of a machinery or any object was newly produced, it is normally that it's supposed to remain the high failure rate at the beginning first before you using it for a few moments until it has decreased their failure rate and it becomes stable at one point. Then after you're using it for longer, then passing this second point, it continues increasing its failure rate again and again until it reaches the highest point, as was marking in point 3. And this point is where our machinery is failed. So our goal is to prevent machinery from reaching this point by we shall measure the vibration from maybe this point to protect the machinery and fix it on time, so it could not gonna reach this point anyway. Okay, so let's continue. So actually this one is supposed to continue from the second one, but this one is quite clear according to the to this point right here. If we zoom it out this point and we plot in this point, so this is a graph between the conditions and the time. So as you can see right here, this is where we supposed to measure for vibrations to detect for issues. So whenever the failures start to occur, and you realized, so we should detect for the problems right here before it continues to this point, and lastly it reach the failure point, or you could say this point is called the function loss point. So we measure vibrations, we analyze, and we fix at this point. And then just another fact, whenever machinery generates a sounds or there's something broken inside, it takes a few minutes, you realize again, then it's already reached the failure point. The main idea is we're trying to do everything as much as possible that we could do at this point first before it goes to this point. Another more facts, I'm going to give some example of the impacts. If the machinery has already losing its function, it could send impacts to humans such as accidents or the environmental also. So that's why vibration analysis is important. Okay, these are some examples of failure that makes the machinery can't work. So the first one is the shaft crack, and the second one is the fatigue remain in gear. Okay, so we already knew the reason why we should have the vibration analysis already. Then what do we need to monitoring for vibrations? So we need the machinery, the sensor, the analyzer, or you could say it is the data collector and the data plots. Okay, so the sensor just detects all the information that happening on your machinery and it sends to the analyzer to collect data for you and analyze it. And then the analyzers send the data collected to your device, and it's plot for you into different forms. You could choose to analyze data, and these are the points where we use all collected data to analyze in different form of graph and plots. Okay, where we will be talking in the next video. These are all introduction to vibration analysis and machinery diagnostics. So thank you for your attention.